This tutorial review will show you how to curve text in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator project and select Text tool. Type here your text. Click on Object. Click Envelope Dessert and click on Make with Warp and check this preview option to see live result of your editing. Click this style option. Now you can select any available curved style from this list. I'm gonna selecting here the arc style. You can also change curve position here. Play with this bend option to make a suitable curve for your text. And finally click on OK. Here is my final preview. It's super easy to make a curved text. So follow my instructions to make your text curve. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.